Hello, and welcome to your first Curiosity Project lesson. Today's topic is how to write a research question. Okay? Step one to write a research question is to start with a topic. What topic are you interested in? For example, dogs. I picked an easy one to make an example here. I bet your topics are way cooler than this, but let's say you have 10 dogs or you have 0 dogs, but either way, you have lots of things you wonder about dogs. So you have to ask yourself, dogs isn't enough. That's not a research question. You have to ask yourself, what do I want to know about dogs? Let's see what I got here. Where did all the different breeds come from? How did dogs evolve from wolves? How are dogs different from wolves? Are dogs good for our minds and bodies? Okay, so we're getting there. These are examples of research questions. But once we write a question, we have to check it, okay, with these 4 criteria. You have to ask yourself, is my question clear? My audience can understand it without needing additional explanation. Yeah. Focused. Is it narrow enough that it can be answered thoroughly in a 3-minute video? Or if you were writing a 10-page paper because you're in high school, or if you were making a 30-minute video, that's different. You might choose a broader topic. But we want to make sure it's narrow enough that 3 minutes is the right amount of time, not too little, not too much. Is it concise? That means, is it expressed in the fewest possible words? And finally, complex. A complex question, it is not answerable with a simple yes or no. So let's look at a sample one. Are dogs good for people's minds and bodies? Is it clear? Yeah, I'm asking about the effect of dogs on human brains and human bodies. Is it focused? Yep, I'm focusing in on, I could maybe, if I did my research, I started to find I had so much about our minds and I could fill a whole 3-minute video just talking about dogs effects on people's mental health. I could just focus on that and I might make that decision as I research. But right now, I think I'm okay. Is it concise? Could I do it in any fewer words? No. I could say, are dogs good for people? But I think that's not specific enough because I want to focus on their minds and bodies. And is it complex? Is it just a simple yes or no and there's nothing more to say? I don't think so. I think based on my preliminary research that there's a lot about different hormones in our body, stress, anxiety, depression. I think this is a pretty complex answer. And in some ways, there may be yes or no. There might be times when no, it isn't helpful. We'll see. Let's look at this next one. Oh, here it is. Yes. Are dogs good for people's minds and bodies? Yes. It is clear, focused, concise, and complex. Next one, are dogs an animal? It's clear. You can tell I picked a bad example here. Is that clear? Yeah, I can tell what the question means. I understand. Is it focused? Yeah, I guess we're focusing on are dogs an animal? Is it concise? Well, I did it in only 4 words, but here's the kicker. Is it complex? No. That would be a 10-second video, if that, 4 seconds. Hi, yes, my name is Meg Griswold. I'm here to present to you on Are Dogs an Animal? Yes. The end of video. Not very exciting, right? Not very interesting. Not a good question to spark a lot of research. So no, this one is not going to fit those 4 criteria. Next one. One time a dog growled at me when I tried to touch its bowl and I was really scared and then I wouldn't even go near dogs for 10 years. And I want to know why dogs do that sometimes. Okay. Is it clear? I guess you're wondering why dogs sometimes try to growl at you or snap at you when you touch their bowl. It's not totally clear. I need a little more explanation. Is it focused? I can't quite tell yet. I can't tell. Is it concise? Is it the fewest words possible? Wah, wah. No. You need to slow down and take some of those words out and get closer to it. Is it complex? I think it is actually. I think, why do dogs act that way? I bet you there's a lot of answers. It's not just yes or no. I can't really answer yes or no to that. Let's see. I tried a different way of writing it. See what you think. This one does not work. No, this one doesn't work. But here's what I wrote instead. Why do dogs protect their territory? Is that clear? Yeah, now I see what you're asking. Is it focused? Yes, I'm focusing on just this instinct to protect their area, their zone, their food, their bowl, their bed. Is it concise? Yeah, it's definitely shorter. And is it complex? Yeah, the reasons why dogs protect their territory is not just yes or no. Okay. Or why are dogs territorial? Sorry, that was two different versions of the same question. Those would both work. And okay, so that is all for our lesson today. That is my lesson to explain to you how to go from a topic to a research question. Okay. So if you're interested in the Roman Empire, you got to dig deeper. What do you want to know more about? And what could you research that you could present in a 3-minute video? Okay. Why did the Roman Empire fall? There's a good research question. Okay. So happy research question writing. I'm here for you if you need me. Reach out with any questions. Reach out to friends. We're going to be sharing our research questions. I'm going to be giving you feedback. So don't worry, I'm not leaving you out there alone. But hopefully by the end of this, you will have an amazing research question so that next week we can kick off our research. Bye.